So it's interesting, we already happened upon, or Eric happened upon a wild boar.
That was fun.
So I'm kind of up here trying to scope out where that great than shark.
Let's focus on that statement here for a second. There's a wild boar running around in here with us. Those things are mean. This isn't good. You see what we do for you people? Come on.
You can kind of welcome sign for us, right?
Everyone that watches this video, here. Everybody that watches this video, hit like, because we're putting ourselves in direct danger for you.
All right, once you take us around, show us around what we got here.
Well, this is all you need to see. This tells the complete story. So obviously we're standing in the bleacher seating area for people come down for the dog track and watch the races out there.
Or in our case, watch the boars race.
And of course, all the great graffiti here. I found comfort in hell. We haven't found it yet. Maybe comfort is the name of the board.
And that would be cool to get the wild boar on film.
You see this here? This graffiti there? Let me translate for you. That says, yo, yo, yo.
Also, I think a very definite real danger here is rattlesnakes. We're definitely keeping an eye open for those.
Yeah, this was a racetrack back in the late 80s, early 90s.
Right there.
What?
Giant boar.
Oh, it did?
Went out that door right there.
Cool.
It went out that door. I don't know where it's going.
We can head that way. I think it's more afraid of
Oh
us.
yeah, let's head that way.
Okay. That's what we go after, right? The creepy, the weird, the paranormal.
Great white shark. Let's head towards it.
See, I knew you thought like I thought.
As of right now, the boar is doing a good job of avoiding us. And
Yeah.
just keep it that way.
Yeah, we're going to do our bit to avoid it. But if we happen to see it and get it on film, hey, we'll make it a star. So this is, I'm guessing, what they call the off-track betting area. So Scott, you actually saw the boar.
Yeah, went out right out that where it says exit right there.
So you guys believe in it? I wasn't hallucinating.
Up until now, I thought you were completely full of it, but now it's been confirmed.
Yeah. See, you got to trust the Mexican. All right, going into this room. So what we got here. Hello, hello. We mean you no harm. You're in here. It's a dirty room. These are like, I'm gonna guess these are some kind of offices. Yeah, I mean, check out this floor. You got to really watch where we're stepping on this floor. I mean, the floor itself seems pretty solid, but there's so much crap over it. I just almost rolled on something. Yeah, these are all pretty much the same. You know, I don't really blame the boar for kicking back in here. A lot shadier and cooler than it is outside, definitely. But let's see what's out here.
You're going out the board.
Yes, I am. And if the pig eats me, I love you guys. I'm gonna go out the door here. I'm gonna guess that was a concession stand of some sort. You know, I keep forgetting to bring my flashlight. I gotta work on that. Let's see anything out here. Nope, nothing really out here. This is probably some sort of storage unit, I'm gonna guess. Huh? Not yet. Did it go this way, do you know?
I don't know, just saw it.
The camera heats up. One thing I learned, didn't realize about Arizona, it does not like video cameras or any type of video equipment because it will overheat it easily. Okay, so guys, let's hold up a second. Thoughts so far? Weston, what do you think?
It's a cool place to urban explore, except there's some doors here that we don't know what they lead to, and I'm afraid of kind of finding a whole little piglet family of boars.
In case you're all wondering what a boar attack looks like,
Oh, that is so cool. I didn't see
this
that.
is what we're trying to avoid.
Okay, here, hold this. Look at it. I kind of dig this personally because I'm into werewolves. Your thoughts so far, Scott?
It's hard to think of anything except a wild boar running around very close to us. But other than that, it's a cool exploration spot.
All right.
Cool spot.
Only because I saw something with a giant tail right under that counter, so I'm gonna leave it alone and check out what's upstairs. Hope has some what's upstairs. I don't recommend taking these steps very often because if the floorboards don't give way, the nails will give you all kinds of tetanus, rabies, who knows? Maybe not rabies. Alright, this is probably where the announcers at to announce the dogs, and that was the racetrack all the way around there. I hope they kept up more than this. This is kind of dinky. And granted, but I'm digging it.
Again, my foremost concern is snakes and then boars.
Yeah, really check your corners. Got your rock?
Yeah.
Broken glass. Don't know what this was about. Maybe this was where they ate?
This might have been a little dining area of some sort.
Anything over here of interest? More offices, it seems. Yeah, I would guess this would be some kind of like food stand. So, Weston, any thoughts on the Black Canyon dog track?
This is one of the more cautious urban explorations we've had to do. There's just nothing maintained here. We're in the desert, you know, so we definitely, when we're clearing corners and keeping our eyes open, we're really doing that. We're not just strolling around checking out what's going on. We have to evaluate situations before we go anywhere because it's a little weird out here.
The Black Canyon City Greyhound track. Due to the unexpected extreme heat of the place, it kept affecting our cameras. So some footage was lost, but I was able to save the majority of it. The only thing I was personally kind of bummed about, I didn't get any footage of the wild boar that was running, or wild pig, whatever you call it, that was running. Yeah, it was boar. It was running. I walked in, when I first walked in, I was working on my camera, I startled a wild pig. Wild boar. And I didn't think a boar could have a surprised expression, but it did. I think we shocked each other and it took off. And I let it go, because I don't want to bother a wild pig. Boar. So, but other than that, I thought it was a cool little excursion. Scott, what'd you think?
I thought you were completely full of it when you first announced that you saw a wild boar.
He announced it as a pig.
He did announce it as a pig. Until I saw the freaking thing, while we were walking around filming. It was definitely a wild boar. And thankfully, it wasn't very interested in us. It was more interested in getting away from us, and that works for me.
I'm okay with it. I'm an animal lover. Let him alone, do his thing in the desert.
Those things can be dangerous. And this wasn't any kind of Lion King, Hakuna Matata kind of boar either. This thing was, anyway.
fun. It was a very interesting place. I didn't get to see the boar, so that kind of bummed me out, but I was a little bit worried about running into it again, and maybe it wouldn't have been as timid around us and would have charged us full speed. That would have been very scary. I was also a little worried about rattlesnakes as well, but you know, we braved the adventure and did it and explored the rooms, and it was a lot of fun. It was very, very hot. That was uncomfortably hot of
Brutal.
urban exploration. It was bad, but it was fun.
Right on. Yeah, I think it's definitely safe to say that this particular little adventure wasn't boring. Sorry, I couldn't resist. So, okay, so there you have it. Black Canyon City Greyhound Racetrack.
There we were in 115-degree heat, clowning around at some abandoned Greyhound racetrack. Yeah.
And
miserable out here.
Yeah, I did see. I'm not going to classify it as a boar or another boar out there because I only saw its tail. I walked around and something scurried under a shelf when I walked by. All I saw was a strange little black tail. I don't know what it was, so I'm going to go with the paranormal explanation. Some creature of boar. I don't know.
Dog. Yeah, coyote, wolf. Wolfen.
You're taking the point out. Wolfen was.
Yeah.
All right, so